Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing both vehicle and trailer. Park level, set brakes, and chock wheels so nothing moves. Once stable, turn off the ignition and remove the key to avoid accidental current. Next, open the trailer plug dust cap and visually inspect the socket and pins. Look for corrosion, bent pins, or debris. If you see light corrosion, prepare a contact cleaner and a small brush. Make sure you have gloves and eye protection before you touch the wiring. With the plug exposed, identify whether it's a 7-pin round or 4-pin flat and align the keying notch so pins line up. This prevents bending. Grip the plug housing, not the wires, and push straight into the socket until you feel a click or a firm, even resistance. Once seated, engage any locking clip or screw ring to prevent backing out. Then turn the vehicle lights on and have someone confirm brake, turn, tail, and marker lights function correctly. This checks continuity and connection quality. Finish by securing excess cable with tape or zip ties so it won't drag or snag. Close the dust cap to keep out moisture. If a trailer light fails, first swap the bulb or fuse, then check for 12V at the corresponding pin with a multimeter to isolate wiring versus component failure. For intermittent problems, perform a gentle wiggle test on the plug while lights are on to reveal loose contacts. If you find corrosion or damage, replace the plug or socket to restore a reliable connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.